Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 Toyota GR Supra A90, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Positioned with an estimated global price starting around $65,000 for foundational models and climbing past $105,000 for ultimate track-focused editions. This legendary Japanese sports coupe stands as an icon of automotive passion. From the very first glance, its premium exterior design commands unwavering attention with sculpted side air intakes, an aggressive front fascia, sweeping LED headlights, and signature double-bubble roofline curves. The car's aerodynamic styling is a masterclass in motorsport engineering, utilizing a functional front splitter, widebody flares, lightweight carbon fiber aero bits, and an integrated ducktail rear spoiler that seamlessly channels high-speed airflow to maximize downforce and maintain rock-solid high-speed stability. Stepping inside reveals a driver-centric sanctuary where refined interior luxury meets raw track capability. Premium leather and supple Alcantara materials drape every surface, perfectly surrounding ergonomic sport bucket seats that offer exceptional lateral bolster support during aggressive cornering, along with plush seating comfort for long voyages. The clean, horizontal dashboard layout keeps vital controls intuitively within reach, featuring a crisp digital driver instrument display alongside a high-definition touchscreen infotainment system packed with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time satellite navigation, and a concert-quality JBL audio system. Beneath the long sculpted hood resides a ferocious 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine tuned to deliver exhilarating engine performance through a quick shifting -1 speed automatic or a highly engaging 6-speed manual transmission. Speed and acceleration feel thrillingly instantaneous as the coupe rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds, backed by a deep, resonant exhaust note that ignites the senses. On the road, driving comfort remains remarkably refined thanks to an adaptive variable suspension that constantly monitors road surfaces, absorbing harsh bumps while keeping body roll virtually non-existent. A full suite of modern safety features and driver assistance systems including pre-collision, automatic braking, lane keeping assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring provides total confidence without diluting pure driving engagement. Despite its track-ready DNA, intelligent powertrain tuning maintains practical fuel efficiency, delivering an estimated 25 miles per gallon combined on open highways, whether carving through twisting mountain passes, effortlessly cruising expansive European highways, or navigating dense American city streets. The 2027 Toyota GR Supra A90 delivers an unforgettable, unified driving experience across all international environments, proving that true sports car heritage continues to evolve and thrive.